After going bankrupt, losing everything, sleeping on my friend's bedroom floor, and hitting rock bottom, I decided to fix everything and start afresh. I know I got into debt, got complacent, but now I'm starting completely afresh and documenting everything that I'm doing to build my business back up. And I'm sharing with you all of the lessons, the strategies, the mistakes I'm making along the way, and how you can apply those strategies in your business. I've been working as an entrepreneur for 14 years now. 10 years into my journey, I went bankrupt, lost everything, and I've spent the last 3 to 4 years studying industry giants such as Grant Cardone, Russell Brunson, Alex Mosey, Doug Balton, Dan Henry, Tony Robbins, and so many more. And I've gone deep to study their courses, their programs, joined masterminds, gone backstage to see what actually makes them tick. And I'm putting together all of the strategies to apply them in my business. And I'm documenting the journey along the way. I'm showing you everything that I'm doing to build my business, how you can apply the strategies in your business and create the kind of life that you desire to live. All I'm saying is turn on your notifications, subscribe to this channel, and enjoy all of the content. You get the notifications, you get it turned on. But then if you want to come backstage and see what is really happening, you get to ask me questions. I also get to support you. I'll say join Insider Secrets. That is where you get the real juice of behind the scenes of what is really happening. Here I'm documenting the journey, yes, but then there you get to see behind the scenes and understand certain things. You get to ask me questions. All you need to do is go to www.theogodson.com/insider to get started, or click the link in the description and you get access to it.